I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Today I'm going to be diagnosing and repairing this engine chatter coming from my belt tensioner. So I'm going to use my handy dandy listening tool I've got here. That little amplifier. So that's the tensioner. My breaker bar to get in there and loosen the tensioner and pull the belt off. Got the old belt out. Looks good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it just because I have a replacement belt and I'll use this as my backup. Here's the tensioner. The tensioner itself actually chatters against the engine a little bit. Let's see if maybe I can fix that. Yeah, I can actually see where this bolt chatters on the engine. The old one's a little noticeable slant, so that bushing must be pressed inwards, and that's what's leading to this smacking the engine. Got this new one, and time to throw it back in there. I'll re-secure it down. I'm gonna torque it down to factory spec. Alright, got my new belt here. Time to install it. It is routed as it was before. Now the true test, I'll start it up and I'll see if there's that little clanking noise. And if not, our issue is resolved. Well, thanks for tuning in. The issue is resolved.